What's going on, finance media community? I am back with another great video. Today we got how to write a book, and this is a free course, so you guys should be excited for that. So let's get right into this. A lot of people are searching how to write a book and how to market their books and sell them on Amazon and how to write a best-selling book, and this course offers it all. So let's get right into it. So this course is a free course. All you have to do is click the link in the description and it will take you right to it, and you can enroll in the course for free, no charge. No, you don't have to put any credit card information or anything like that. It is totally free, so you guys must love that. Let's do a little description about the course. So it's a writer's guide. You get basic writing skills for a beginner, words, spaces, punctuation, sentences, paragraphs, and dialogue. So there's 32 lessons throughout the course. The skill level is beginner, and a certificate is available after completion. In the course, there's a 1 hour and 24-minute on-demand video. You have access on your mobile, and you have lifetime access. So once you get it for free, you can give it to your kids, your cousins, your mom, your dad. It does not matter. It's lifetime access. You're good to go. So what will you learn in this course? To begin writing today and to become a better writer. So I'll give you guys a little description about the course. So tell your story today. In this course, I will explain how to organize and begin writing a short story, novella, or novel. The concepts are the same for each form. The number of balls you need to keep in the air and for how long is the only thing that matters. If I don't write to empty my mind, I go mad. Lord Byron. There's more description. If you guys are interested, you can click the link and go read it yourself. But I will keep on going to keep this short and sweet. So some requirements for this course. A rudimentary understanding of English grammar is definitely a helpful thing for this course. Microsoft Word or writing application, a PC or a Mac, because it is an online course. So the teacher is Khan Abdul Rauf. I don't know if I said that right. He is a successful serial entrepreneur and a small business coach. He's also a co-founder of an IT company that offers cane solutions to educational institutions, hospitals, etc. As a business coach, over the past 5 years, he's helped a number of individuals, startups, and small businesses to make seamless progress and increase their revenue. His goal is to help people promote their work expertise and thus seize profitable business opportunities. Right on. Sounds good. So let's see some of the reviews of this course. Is Bit Degree better than a regular degree? Not long ago, I dropped out of university because the whole system sucked, and I was really lost in more ways than one. But thanks to a little research done, I have found many online learning sites, which now I see are perfect for me. And that's why I'm showing you guys this today. I found Bit Degree, and I think it's the most amazing site. So I'm linking to you all the cool courses I'm finding and showing you that you can actually learn a lot of stuff online for free if you can find the right platforms for it. Love the idea of scholarships as incentive. Exactly. Bit Degree offers scholarships for you guys, and there's lots of cool things. So I really want you to just check the platform out and see for yourself. Also, if you're listening to this video right now, I got a 30% off coupon code if you want to buy an expensive course. Save money 30. Just type that in on the coupon code and you get 30% off your purchase. So other than that, this course looks pretty good. It's a free book writing course to teach you beginners how to start writing a book and some tips and tricks to do it. Other than that, you guys need to check it out for yourself and decide if it's right for you. Let me know in the comments below if you guys did and if you liked it. Other than that, finance media, and I'm out. Peace.